What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the text notifications sound not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Now from here, if you have set the notification sound too low, then you will not be able to receive the text messages notification sound. So drag this slider to the right side to increase the notification sound, and after that your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the text notification sound issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the messages app, tap on this information icon, and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory. So to clear this, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. And after clearing the cache memory, the messages notification sound will start working. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.